I hope all are very well. What we are saw in the previous class, multiplication table 2 and 3, addition sum, subtraction and the multiplication word problems we are saw in the previous class. Now we are see the multiplication table of 4. Say all of you, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. I say again, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Daily you say the oral the multiplication table, children. Okay. Okay children, see the chapter. What is the chapter name? Large numbers. Already we are know about 3-digit numbers. Now we are see the 4-digit numbers. Okay, I write one number, 4-digit number. You see the place value. First one is ones place. First one is ones place. Next, tens place. Ones, tens, hundreds, next thousand. Now I write 4-digit number. You understand the place value. It is very useful to say that read the number and write the spelling also. So first you understand the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. I say again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So you read the number. How many ones? 8 ones. How many tens? 7 tens. How many hundreds? 6 hundreds. How many thousand? 3,000. So you read this number. 3,678. Say again, 3,678. Okay, I write another one number. Okay, what is the place value? Ones place. Next, tens place. Next, hundreds place. Next, hundreds place. Next, thousand place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. How many ones have? One only. How many tens have? 3 tens. How many hundreds have? 5 hundreds. How many thousands have? 7,000. So you read this number, 7,531. Say again, 7,531. Are you clear, children? Okay children, we go to see the sums. Write the numbers and their number names. Write the numbers and their number names. There give the abacus system. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. See the ones place. How many beads have here? No beads. So you put 0. No beads here in ones place. So you put 0. Next, you see the tens place rod. How many beads have in the tens rod? No beads. So you again write 0. Okay. See the hundreds rod. How many beads have in hundreds place? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads have in the hundreds place. So you put 4. Next, you see the thousands rod. how many beads have in thousands place? One bead only have here. So you write 1. Read the number. First you say the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Say the number 1400. 1400. Write the spelling. What is the spelling for thousand? Say THOUSAND. Thousand. 400. FOUR. 400. HUNDRED. 100. 1400. Okay. See the next sum. See the abacus. Okay. In ones place, how many beads have here? 2 beads. 1, 2. So you write 2. Okay. In tens rod, how many beads have here? 1. So you write 1. In hundreds rod, how many beads have here? 1, 2, 3. So you write 3. In thousands rod, how many beads have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 4. Say the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Read the number. 4312. 4312. Say write the number name. Say the spelling. FOUR 4000. THOUSAND 1000. 4300. THREE 300. HUNDRED 100. 12. TWELVE 12. 4312. I say again, what is the sum given? Write the numbers and their number names. See the abacus. How many beads have in the ones rod? No beads, so you put 0. How many beads in tens rod? No beads, so you put 0. How many beads have in hundreds rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, so you write 4. How many beads in thousands rod? 1 bead only have, so you write 1. Okay. Read the number. First you say the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Read this number. 1400. Write the spelling. Thousand. THOUSAND. 1000. 400. FOUR 400. HUNDRED 100. 1400. Okay. Are you understand, children? See the next sum. Okay. See the abacus. In ones place, how many beads in the rod? 2 beads. So you write 2. In tens rod, how many beads have? 1 bead only. In hundreds rod, how many beads have? 1, 2, 3. So you write 3. In thousands rod, how many beads have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 4. You read this number. First you say the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So you read the number 4312. Next you write the number name. 4000. Say the spelling. FOUR 4000. THOUSAND 1000. 300. THREE 300. HUNDRED 100. 12. TWELVE 12. Are you understand, children? Okay. See the next sum. Draw beads to show the numbers. Draw beads to show the number. The before sum, there gave the beads. You count and write the number and number name. But this sum, there gave the number. You draw the beads. Are you clear? Okay. See the first sum. First you write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This number 1234. 1234. So ones place in 4 bits you draw it. In ones place you draw 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw 4 bits in ones rod. Okay, in tens place how much have here? 3. 1, 2, 3. So in tens rod you draw 3 bits. Next, 2 hundreds have in hundreds place. So you draw 2 bits in hundreds rod. Okay. Next, 1000 have here. So you draw 1 bit only. 1 bits only in thousands rod. I say again. What is the number? 1234. You draw the bits in rod. In ones place 4 have here. So you draw 4 bits. Next, in tens place 3 have here. So you draw 3 bits. In hundreds place 2 have. So you draw 2 bits. Next, 1000 place 1 have. So you draw 1 bits. Next, first you say write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. In one, first you read the number ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So you read the number 3400. You read this number 3400. Okay. In ones place 0 have. So you don't draw the bits in ones rod. Next, in tens place also 0 have. So tens rod also you don't draw any bits. Next, hundreds place have in 4. So in hundreds rod you draw 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw 4 bits in hundreds rod. Next, 3000s have here. So in thousands rod you draw 3 bits. This is the rod. Okay children, see the next sum. Write the numbers. Write the numbers. There give the number name. You write the number. Okay, read the number name. 8. EIGHT 8. THOUSAND 1000. FOUR 4. 100. HUNDRED 100. FIFTY 50. SIX 6. 8456. Okay, how many ones have here? 6 ones. So you write 6. Next, place value. First you say the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In ones place, how many ones have? 6 ones. So you write 6. Next, tens. 50. 50. How many tens? 5 tens. So you write 5. Next, hundreds place. How many hundreds? 400. How many hundreds? 400. So you write 4. Next, thousand. How many thousands? 8,000. How many thousands? 8,000. The given sum is 8,456. You say the place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In ones place 6 have here. So you write 6. Next, tens place 50. So you write 5 tens are 50. So you write in tens place 5. Next, hundreds place how much? 400. So you write 4. Next, thousands place how many thousands? 8,000. So you write 8. You read this number. First say the place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So you read this number 8,456. 8,456. Okay. Next, see the next sum. FIVE 5. THOUSAND 1000. SEVEN 7. HUNDRED 100. ELEVEN 11. Okay. 5711. Okay, see the place value, say the place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, 11 ones, tens, so 1 10 have here. How many hundred? 700, so you write 7. Thousand, how many thousands? 5000, so you write 5. You read this number, 5711. 5711. Are you understand, children? Okay, see the next sum. Write the number names. The before sum they are gave the number name. You write the number. Now they are gave the number. You write the number name. First you write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. How many thousands have? 2000. So you write 2000. TWO 2000. THOUSAND 1000. How many hundreds have? 100. So you write 100. ONE 1. 100. HUNDRED 100. How many tens? 5 tens. 50. FIFTY 50. How many ones? 6 ones. So 56. SIX 6. You read this number, 2156. 2156. One is you write or don't write, it's okay. 100, 100 are equal. Next, you write next sum, you see. Write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, read this number, 3684. How many thousands have? 3000. So you write THREE 3000. THOUSAND 1000. 3000. How many hundreds? 6 hundreds. SIX 600. HUNDRED 100. How many tens? 8 tens. So 80. EIGHTY 80. How many ones? 4 ones. FOUR. You read this number, 3684. Are you understand, children? Okay, see the next sum. Write the numbers. First sum, 5000 plus 600 plus 7 tens plus 9 ones. Okay, you write the number. Okay, 9 ones. How much? 9. 7 tens? 70. 600s? 600. 5000s. Okay, first you write the ones place. How many ones have here? 9 ones. How many tens have here? 7 tens. How many hundreds have here? 600. How many thousands have here? 5000. Okay, you read this number, 5679. Say again, 5679. Okay. You read the second sum, 7000 plus 200 plus 0 tens plus 5 ones. 5 ones, 5. 0 tens, 0 into 10, 0. 2 into 100, 200. 7 into 1000, 7000. Okay, you write the ones place. How many ones have here? 5 ones. So you write 5. How many tens have? 0 tens. So you write 0. How many hundreds have? 200. So you write 2. How many thousands have? 7000. So you read this number, 7,205. Okay, say again children. What is the first sum? 5,000s plus 600s plus 7 tens plus 9 ones. You say the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000. There gave the orderly. Okay, now you write the numbers. Ones, how many ones have? 9 ones. So you write 9. How many tens have? 7 tens. How many ones have? 9 ones. How many tens have? 7 tens. So you write 7. How many hundreds have? 600. So you write 6. How many thousands have? 5,000. So you write 5. The number is 5,679. Okay, see the next sum. 7,000s plus 200s plus 0 tens plus 5 ones. This sum also give the order wise in place value. So 5 ones, so you write 5. 0 tens, you write 0. 200, so you write 2. 7,000, so you write 7. The number is 7,205. Okay children, you practice this type of sums in your home and say the oral for multiplication table 2, 3, 4. We are seeing in the next class.